We are pleased to show you 2012 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, traction control, stability control, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.